They taught you the Pythagorean theorem. But not how credit cards work. They made you memorize mitochondria. But skipped taxes, debt, and wealth creation. This isn't an accident. Today, I'm going to tell you the harsh truth about money, the one schools won't ever teach you. Not because they forgot, but because the system was never designed for you to win. Part 1: The Financial Illusion. From the moment you enter school, you're trained to be obedient, not wealthy. You're taught to follow instructions, not question systems. Memorize, regurgitate, pass. Repeat. But here's the truth: the traditional education system was designed during the industrial age, when the goal was to produce compliant workers, not independent thinkers. They don't teach you how to manage money. They teach you how to chase it. And this is where the trap begins. You're told to go to college, get a degree, and find a job. Then you're handed student debt before you even understand what interest means. You work for money, instead of learning how money can work for you. It's not about knowledge. It's about control. Because if you knew how money really worked, you'd stop trading your time for it. Part 2: The 3 Harsh Truths. Let's break it down. 3 harsh truths about money schools will never teach you, but the wealthy all know. Truth 1: Time is not money. Leverage is. You can only work so many hours in a day. But your money? That can work 24/7. The rich buy income-generating assets. The poor trade time for a paycheck. Schools prepare you to be a good employee, not a free individual. Truth 2: Your salary is a drug. It gives you just enough to survive, but never enough to escape. A raise feels good, until your lifestyle inflates. You get promoted. But now you have golden handcuffs. Meanwhile, your wealth remains stagnant, or worse, disappears in taxes and inflation. The goal was never freedom. It was dependence. Truth 3: Debt isn't bad. Ignorance is. Schools teach you to fear debt. But they don't teach you the difference between good debt and bad debt. The poor get into debt to consume. The rich use debt to invest and scale. If you're scared of borrowing money, but not scared of wasting time, you've already lost the game. If this is hitting you hard, good. Most people live their entire lives without ever hearing this. So if you're still here, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to wake up. Because what's coming next is where the real game begins. Part 3: How to Escape the Money Trap. Now that you know the system is rigged, the question is, how do you escape? Step 1: Unlearn. Forget what you were taught. Because 90% of it doesn't apply in the real world. GPA doesn't build wealth. Resume doesn't build equity. Playing it safe is the riskiest move in a world changing this fast. Step 2: Learn the language of money. Money isn't just currency. It's a game of psychology, leverage, and systems. Learn how to read financial statements. Understand cash flow versus capital gains. Study how the wealthy protect and grow their money. Step 3: Build assets, not status. Your car won't pay you. Your investments will. Instead of flexing, start stacking. Index funds, online businesses, real estate, intellectual property, these are the new wealth builders. You don't need to be a genius. Just consistent. Step 4: Automate and detach. Freedom isn't about millions. It's about systems that make money without you. Automate your savings. Outsource your income. Build once. Earn forever. The education system won't change. But you can, because the biggest lie about money is that it's complicated. In reality, it's simple. But only if you see through the noise. You're not broke because you're lazy. You're broke because you were taught the wrong game. And if this video opened your eyes, wait until you see the next one. It's about the biggest silent killer of wealth. Watch it right now. See you there.